Guys, we are back. I am going to show you a video that I get questions a ton about. The camera and where the red wire goes into the taillights and where they go and blah blah blah. So the red wire goes from there's the camera wire right there. Okay, so that wire that comes off the AV cable right there into here, and then you can see the red wire. And I had some extra white wire to make it longer, but I hooked it from there into the tail light, which is up there. So it goes from there to there. So that's where that goes. So from the red wire that's on the AV yellow cable goes from there and there into there, and then the other side, obviously the yellow AV cable follows along the frame, goes underneath there. Comes from underneath here goes in there and goes into the deck, which plugs into the brown one. I don't know, you want to make sure to go watch the video. Goes in there, and then that AV cable has a little red wire and goes into in my case, it is the purple and white wire, and there's also a sticker on it that says reverse on it. So all I do is splice it in there. So that red power wire from there goes into the purple and white wire. In my case, it might be different on different vehicles, but you got to find the reverse wire so it gets a signal saying that you put it into reverse. So yeah, that's where it goes. I get tons of questions about that. I don't know. Yeah, I thought I did put it in the video, but I guess I didn't. But yeah, that's all it goes to. Power on the rear goes to the positive on the reverse light, and then the cable on here or the red line goes into the reverse wire onto your wiring harness. So hopefully that clears it up.